Introducing the SU-10G remote controller. This is the display area, navigation area, and settings area. The top section is the remote S transmitter receiver area. The remote uses two AA batteries with dimensions 120/65 20 mm and a weight of 140 g. Below are the battery installation steps. Section 1. Remote wake up. Short press any navigation button to wake the SU-10G. The screen will light up, and the remote becomes operational. Section 2. Communication mode setup. Simultaneously long press the setting and back keys. The remote emits a long beep and enters the settings menu. The SU-10G supports two modes: infrared and wireless communication. Select option corresponding to solar controller communication type. In wireless mode, adjust the communication distance freely 0.5 mc 30 m. Short press setting to save and return to the parameter menu. Section 3. Parameter adjustment. After waking the remote, short press setting to activate the blinking cursor. Use the up-down keys to adjust the selected parameter. Short press setting again to move to the next parameter. Short press back to confirm and complete adjustments. Section 4. Parameter transmission. After confirming correct communication mode and parameter setup, press send briefly to transmit current parameters to solar controller. The remote will display send successful and emit a long beep. Section 5. Reading parameters status. Short press data. A long beep confirms successful parameter retrieval. Use up-down to review parameters. Short press status. A long beep confirms successful status retrieval. Similarly, use up-down to review controller status. Section 6. Password setup transmission. SU-10G allows password configuration for wireless communication controllers. This prevents unauthorized modification of controller parameters. SU-10G's default initial password is 00004. The controller allows setting any password between 0000 and 9999. Press setting briefly, adjust password with up-down keys. Short press the back key to save the configured password. Short press the send key to transmit the password to the controller. Section 7. Parameter lock unlock. Press and hold the setting button and the flashlight button simultaneously. The remote emits two short beeps. A lock icon in the display's top right indicates locked parameters. Parameters can only be transmitted. Modification is disabled. This function prevents accidental changes to the remote parameters. Press and hold both setting and flashlight again to unlock parameters. A key icon in the display's top right indicates unlocked parameters. Section 8. Test mode. Short press test to send a test command. The controller enters discharge mode for power calibration, then resumes normal operation. Use this to verify discharge functionality during installation. Section 9. Setting and exiting the controller's transport mode. Press and hold the back button and the backlight button simultaneously. 2 short remote beeps. Display top shows transport mode. Press the test button briefly to enter transport mode. Solar controller now operates with reduced power consumption, conserving energy. Press and hold both back and backlight again to exit transport mode. Remote control short beep once. Press test or connect to solar panel for charging to exit. Section 10. Backlight lighting. Short press the backlight button to turn on the LCD display backlight, suitable for using the remote control in dark conditions. Short press the flashlight button to turn on the emergency light. press the flashlight button again to switch to SOS distress signal mode. If not manually turned off after activation. Auto shutdown in 30s to conserve power. You can also turn off the light by short pressing the flashlight button again.